How to become financially independent in 2025. A step-by-step guide. Financial independence in 2025. Here's how. Imagine waking up stress-free, knowing your money is working for you. Financial independence is possible, and 2025 could be your year to achieve it. Let me show you how. Step 1. Define your financial independence goal. First, you need a clear target. Calculate how much you'll need to cover your living expenses without relying on a 9-to-5 job. Example. Calculation. Monthly expenses equals $3,000. Annual expenses equals $36,000. Using the 4% rule, you'll need $900,000 invested to withdraw safely without running out of money. Knowing your number keeps you focused and motivated. Step 2. Control your spending. Track your spending and focus on essentials. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. To reach financial independence faster, increase your savings rate. Even hitting 40% can drastically speed up your journey. Step 3. Increase your income. Cutting expenses is important, but boosting your income is the real game changer. Try these methods. Negotiate a raise. Know your value and ask for it. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, content creation, or gig work can boost your cash flow. Invest in skills. Learning high-demand skills can open doors to higher-paying jobs. Every extra dollar earned and invested moves you closer to freedom. Step 4. Invest for growth. Don't just save, invest. Consider these options. Checkmark index funds and ETFs. Great for consistent growth. Dividend stocks build passive income. Real estate, rental income can fund your lifestyle. Online businesses, digital products can generate revenue 24/7. Invest regularly and let compound growth do the heavy lifting. Step 5. Automate everything. Automation is key. Set up automatic savings transfers, recurring investments, scheduled bill payments. This ensures your money is always working without you constantly managing it. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one income stream is risky. Try adding, check freelancing or consulting, check rental properties, check dividend stocks, check digital products or courses. Multiple income streams provide stability and security. Step 7. Stay disciplined and consistent. Success is about consistent action. Develop habits like tracking your progress, avoiding lifestyle inflation, staying focused on long-term goals. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with your plan, and results will follow. Financial independence isn't about luck. It's about strategy and consistency. Start small, build momentum, and by 2025, you could be on your way to financial freedom. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment sharing your first step toward financial independence. See you in the next one.